Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's go through the steps to help you manage your conversations efficiently. To begin, open x.com on your computer to access the platform. Once you're on X, Twitter, open the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Navigate to the specific conversation where the message is located. To delete a message, hover your cursor over the message you wish to remove. A three-dot icon will appear next to the message, indicating additional options. Click on the three-dot icon to reveal a drop-down menu of actions for that message. Among the options provided, you will find the Delete option. Select the Delete option to permanently remove the message from the conversation. Confirm the deletion when prompted to complete the process. By deleting messages on X, Twitter, you can maintain the clarity and relevance of your conversations, ensuring that only the necessary information is shared. It's important to review the message before deleting it and ensure that you are removing the correct content to avoid any unintended actions. Follow these simple steps to effectively delete messages on X, Twitter, using your PC, enhancing your communication experience and keeping your conversations organized and concise.